In this video, I will show you the tips on how to use hidden apps on iPhone after hide from the home screen. This is my iPhone 16 Pro. You can do the same on any iPhone model running on iOS 18. Hide the app icon from the home screen is very easy. First, unlock your iPhone and move to the home screen. Touch and hold on the app icon to pop up like this and select Require Face ID option. Again select Hide and Require Face ID option. First option, Require Face ID. Only lock the app but not hide from the home screen. Verify with the Face ID and confirm with the Hide app option. As you can see, app icon is removed from the home screen only. To use the hidden app, move to App Library next to the last page of your iPhone home screen. Scroll to the last and see the hidden folder. Now tap on it to verify with the Face ID and view all the hidden apps not showing on the home screen. To remove from this hidden folder, unhide the app, touch and hold on the app icon and tap on the Add to Home Screen option and select the Unhide app option from the pop-up verification. That's it. Please like, share and subscribe to these helpful videos, and share your feedback and questions in the comment box below. Thank you.